Well, fun fact, the written portion of those state tests is worth just about as much, plus more, as some of the multiple choice sections. So, writing is going to be number one focus today. Over here, if you can see, I have a handy dandy easel, and it tells some of the recommended steps for the writing process on your essays. You will have 2 essays. One of them will be about argumentative writing, and the other is going to be about expository or informational writing. Then, they're all going to follow the same format. The only major difference is that an informational one's not going to have a counterclaim. This is the recommendation, folks. You should have an introductory paragraph of sorts. That will include 3 pieces. Your lead, which is your introduction piece to an intro, I know, repetitive. A bridge, which crosses that path there, and a thesis. You have to have a thesis, regardless of how long that intro is or how short it is. The thesis is the wheel, and we need to have a driver with that wheel.
Hey Rockets, here's your chance for candy.
About how many millions of roses are sent for Valentine's Day each year?
I'm guessing about 17 million. All I know is none of them are coming to me.
I'm thinking 90 million?
I don't know.
Then, once you have a clear thesis, you can move into those body paragraphs. You should have roughly 3. If you're struggle busing a little bit, put a couple of claims into one body paragraph at least, because if you write fewer than 3 paragraphs, you're going to lose about 4 points on that rubric. In your body paragraphs, you should have these items. You must include a topic sentence. That topic sentence tells, guess what? The topic of that particular paragraph. That being said, if there's 3 body paragraphs, you should have 3 different topics that you're approaching in your writing. You should then, for an argumentative essay, have an argument that you're making, or if it's an informative essay, you should have a claim or an answer of some sort. Then you must provide an answer to that particular statement, question, argument, what have you. Then provide evidence and explanation. If you've ever been in one of my classes, we use the ICE method. Introduce, cite, explain. If you follow that, you will have this. Then you must have some kind, in an argumentative piece, of a counterclaim. I know it seems a little odd to have to go against what you're saying, but it's a matter of making your argument stronger. By the time you get through those body paragraphs and have given all that evidence, you should be able to provide your conclusion. A conclusion will include a restatement, but not a complete rewriting of your thesis. And that, folks, if you have those pieces, you should have a pretty good chance of getting at least a 5 or up on your essays.